Rygin King shot and injured. No, wow. Can 2020 get any more unexpected?
Me make a name for myself and look what happened. Me now go back to the past, we used to fire quick. Me looking at the mirror, you know what me see.
Alright, so there I was, you know, I mind my business when somebody, one of the Berrydos, then sent me a message from Pinkwall. And with it, somebody basically said that, you know, they might hear say Rygin King, that is dancehall artist Rygin King, the man that is known for the hit single Tough, and you know, shelling down reggae Sumfest some years ago. Their brother there, that he was shot and injured somewhere, place named Bethel, must say in Westmoreland. So people did go around with a little story, but nobody could have really confirm it until we get some word from a producer by the name from Sh0T Records. Now, when him they kind of talk about it, he make everything very, very official. This is what he said. Don't give up, Rygin King. Your youth them need you, and also your friends and your family. So that was basically it. So that basically confirmed it, and you know, more information came out and basically suggested that what happened is that Rygin King and some of my friend them did go one brother funeral. Now after the funeral, when him leave now, him car getting some problems, and while him did that try to like sort out the issues with the car tire, some man run up on him, and then you know, like all who did in the car them just get sprayed with bullets. So in the end, you know, it was Rygin King and two others, a male and a female. Now the female, allegedly what I hear is that this female is Rygin King's manager's girlfriend, and she was hit and she succumbed to her industry. So you know, like, you know, RIP to her. And you know, what we hear is that Rygin King in a hospital at the moment, and him undergo surgery, but he's actually stable. And this was confirmed, what we can call it confirmed, from producer Rvssian.
News sources say the entertainer underwent surgery this evening. Another two people were shot in the incident. A 28-year-old woman died. A man is also being treated at hospital. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay spoke with our news center.
Okay, well, I don't have much detail, but I'm able to confirm at this time that the entertainer that goes by the name Rygin King, that he was shot and injured in Westmoreland earlier today. Two other persons were also shot in that particular incident. We're getting a report and a confirmation that the female that was shot during that incident, she has been succumbed to injuries. So far what we know is that they were on the road taking some repairs to a motor car, as you understand. And a silver Toyota Axia understand drove up analyzed and opened up them. At the end of the shooting, three of them were,
like, you know, at the end of the day, it's like we don't really know what caused this. We don't know, you know, like what, you know, could have made something like this, why Rygin King would have been targeted. But like we just like hope for the best and say may pull through, because he is in fact a father, and he wouldn't want to, you know, any situation to really cause his kids to kind of grow up without that sort of influence in their life. And so like I just really feel it for like the woman who, you know, is a casualty, because I'm sure she has kids as well, and you know, her family must be mourning right now. So like, I don't know, Berrydos, that is all the updates I can give you for right now. But boy, I just pray for the dancehall artists, yeah, man, because you know, some time ago we hear a similar thing happen with Sika Rhymes, and it just seems more and more like a lot of the artists just, you know, are getting some really, you know, sticky situations, and I just don't want no more of that to be like hovering over this dancehall industry, because we have so much talent, and with them bugger little, you know, things here happen, I feel like it is just too much of an unneeded distraction. And so that's it. Like, what you have to say about this whole entire situation, sound off in the comments. I'd love to hear, you know, what are your thoughts about this and the state of dancehall music and dancehall artists these days. Comments down below. Well, that's it for this update, Berrydos. You know, I'm going to call this like a social media quickie. I think that's what we're going to call it, a countdown quickie. Yeah, that's the name I'm going to call for these little segments. So, you know, if you like the segment, you know, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, let's get interactive, and that is it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And once again, I have a brand new channel. It is called DuttyBerry Uncut. DuttyBerry is one word, DuttyBerry Uncut. And I'm going to be going live on that channel soon. So if you want to be a part of the early gang, head over. I'm going to put the link in the description. So head over to that page and subscribe. Yeah, peace out, Berrydos.